Hey everyone, this is Tyler from 643boxbreaks.com. This is Auction Breaks 2015 Anthology. Thank you to everyone for participating. This is, aside from the Crown Royale, buy it now that is listed, this is likely your last chance to improve your team in the hockey pool. We had a few people with 5+ teams. Sean, all 4 kinds, and Justin. You guys are each going to get a bonus team and a free box of 17-18 Ultimate. Spots number 21, 22, and 23. There they are. Chuck also got both satellite chances into the Pack Wars Tournament and the Tournament of Champions. Anyone to get 3+ teams in this break is going to get 2 hockey pool players, as per the bonus for this week. So starting off with Chuck. Chuck, you've got yourself Fabry and a New Jersey Devils wild card. Chuck is still searching for Mitch Marner and TJ Oshie. Hey, Jeremy. Justin A. Justin, you've got yourself Getzel and Mike Green. Sean, 1989. Sean, you've got Bergeron and Connor McDavid, if you don't have them already. And Soccer Taz, Jeremy, you did get some teams. You've got a Blues wild card and Dumba. We've got 4 pulls for Chuck. Let's get him Mitch Marner. 1, 2, 3, and Marner. Oh, he's got Crosby. He's got Barry. He's got Bufflin. And he's got Strome. That's a heck of a 4-pack. Maybe one of them turns into Marner for Chuck. We'll see. Yeah, I'll do a quick recap here. Chuck got Fabry and New Jersey. Justin got Getzel and Green. Sean got Bergeron and McDavid. Soccer Taz got a Blues wildcard and Dumba. Then Chuck got the 4-pack. Alright, you guys, first hit in this box of Anthology is going to get a 643 collector card. The last card of the last pack is going to earn their team owner a credit in the Teeks643 bonus store, which I am revamping as soon as I got the stock exchange bonus is listed. I'm going to revamp the bonus store. Got a whole bunch of things on my plate this week that I'm trying to do. No roll call tonight. This is a break-even break. Alright, we got a nice hit coming up next, but first, Austin Watson. I believe that's a Nashville Predators card. Numbered out of 299. Yes, the Nashville Predators and B. Martin. Congratulations, Bill. Ooh, nice. Bill's got a George Peros autograph card. Him and John Scott are tuning each other up right there. Nice on-card autograph. That one is card number 2 out of 4. Going to Nashville. Look at this nice hit. Mikhail Grabowski for the Maple Leafs autograph. Numbered out of 49. And that one is going to all 4 kinds. Congratulations, Chuck. Next up, we got a cream-colored Marc-Andre Fleury Massive Materials. That one's numbered out of 90 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And Sean. Congratulations. Then we've got a hit for the Philadelphia Flyers. 2 of the greats for all 4 kinds. Eric Lindros and Ron Hextall. Numbered out of 149. Then for Stevie Y, Tetrad Materials, numbered out of 99 for Detroit. And all four kinds. Chuck is just murdering this box. Last card standing is an autograph of Tyler Biggs for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Toronto and Chuck, numbered out of 299, lights the lamp with the second hit of the box. He also gets the last card standing. Congrats, Chuck. Second night in a row. Let's pull you a hockey pool player. Let's make it Mitch Marner. And it is Braden McNabb. Brandon McNabb. Donovan McNabb. It's a McNabb for the Golden Knights. There's your box, you guys. That means that the insurance policy is going to the Chicago Blackhawks. And Soccer Taz. Congratulations, Jer. You got a shutout, but you also got a free spot in a box of black as a consolation prize. Let's do the 3 stars bonus. Last chance, pull Chuck Marner. 1, 2, and 3. McDonough for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Tampa Bay belongs to all four kinds. The Islanders, Calvin DeHaan, belongs to Justin A. And Werenski, the Blue Jackets, belongs to all four kinds. Congratulations, you guys. Let's spin that wheel and give away a bonus prize for this break. Bonus for this break is a 2-pack of Pack Horse Satellite. Gonna spin the wheel one more time. Whatever team it lands on is gonna get their team owner 2 free spots in a Pack Horse Satellite tournament. And those satellites going to the owner of the Columbus Blue Jackets, and that is all four kinds. Congratulations, Chuck. That is all for me tonight. Thanks you guys for participating in the break. Have yourselves a great rest of your week. Hopefully the rest of the days aren't as long as this one was. See you guys.